Okay, look, look, look. Wait, 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 wait. That's on. Set the hook. Set the hook. You got him. So you put your hand up here. There you go. I don't know if that's a... It might be a catfish for you. Get him in.
Where are the crabs?
Yeah, remember, go down here. If the snakes go near your line, you'll break. Or if you get near this pipe, yeah, bring them up, bring them up. So they want to go in that pipe. You can bring it there. That's a kitty. That's a kitty.
Yeah, I can tell like a little pull at it.
Well, dude, I don't know what that is. Look, he swam all the way up in the pipe.
Oh, you got one? You got the same one?
Dude, I didn't even know that was on.
I couldn't tell.
I was like, where did the hook go? Only one. Oh, 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 oh. Yep, go ahead. Set the hook, set the hook. Set the hook a little harder next time. Go ahead, reel them up. Get them away from the pipe. Get them away from it. They want to go in the pipe. Kitty, kitty. At least it's something. You're in that. Yeah, you got to go the other way.
They really do do a jumping with her.
Yeah. Yeah, the first thing I want to go is right into that pipe.
He's really good or really bad. Something's doing that.
There he is. Catfish. Yep, he's doing the barrel roll. Snakehead!
Hey, you keep that?
Yeah. I thought he was a kitty.
Are you good?
Gosh. Super slimy. Really did think that was a catfish.
Not gonna lie, having my fresh.
No, I got some. Oh, there he is. Watch, watch, watch. Okay, reel up the slack a little bit. Reel up the slack a little bit. He might be on. Okay, hold on. If he's gone, he's got to be gone. Nope. Reel a little bit. Hit, set the hook, set the hook, set the hook. Is that a snake? Keep it away from the pipe. Go to your left. Stand on the pipe. Oh, it's a big kitty. There's your kitty. Oh, I saw colors for a second. You reel up the slack.
So you don't want to hit his wallet. You don't want to hit his bottom fins or whatever.
Yeah, you just got to see if it's like this one's being hit. Look, look, look. Set the hook, set the hook. Got him. Yep. Go to the pipe. Get him away from it. Oh, another cat. Oh, there goes another minnow. Another kitty.
I'm sorry.
You got one? Reel him up. Keep him away from your other line. Yeah, it's okay. Bring him back. Oh, another big catfish.
God, another.
Here, keep him in the water. No, he's not. There you go.
Man, I thought it was one for a second.
That's good.
He didn't flop around as much.
No.
Did I hook him?
Probably catfish. Yeah, I feel it. Kitty cat.
Nope, never mind. Why do the thing look fat?
Ain't no shortage of kitties, man. See you, dude.
12 on the day.
Look, watch, watch. You got a fish in this one. There's a fish on. See how there's tension?
Yeah.
Here you go. Here, here, here. See if it's a kitty. Kitty. Got up a little bit farther. Oh my god, look at the sore on it.
You saw the minnow. It's like,
Ugh.
I'm pretty sure the minnow's dead.
Look, something's like tore it open.
So I see. Okay, so when you feel a little bit of a bite, that's when you try to
Like,
hook it.
you can have it, buddy. It
Yeah.
like, oh, this one's got a turtle on it or something. Yeah. Oh. That's a catfish doing the barrel roll. I wonder where you're sitting there. That's what they do. They sit and tap, 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 tap.
It didn't seem like a fish.
Yeah. And then they kill your minnow. Take practice. That's a fish, but I don't think that's a snakehead. Dude, it might be a snakehead. Son of a gun. I think it is. Is it? No, it's a kitty. Like, he wasn't doing a barrel roll. Oh, yep, you got some.
Plenty of
You got
cats
some
today.
stickers. Yeah. There you go. Big snakehead. Here you go. Oh yeah, that's a good snakehead. Here. Here, you switch places, stand on the pipe, keep your rod up. If it ain't, it's a giant catfish.
I think it's a catfish.
Oh, I felt a barrel roll too. Darn it. Oh, and he's gone. And it's gone. Hi, guy.
I think your best bet maybe that bait you have.
Well, that's I'm trying to. What have I got hooked up here? A crab.
Not a keeper.
Pinched me on the
Would
way
have
out,
been
you
talented
jerk.
if you caught that again.